This was an incredibly important line in the Heller opinion. The intuition or the scuttlebutt, as it were, about this particular line was that the Heller decision was a 5-4 decision. There's 9 justices on the Supreme Court. And the scuttlebutt about this is that this section was included in Justice Scalia's opinion to ensure that Justice Kennedy, who was on the court at the time, joined the majority. And what it did was essentially assuage the concerns that many had that everything now was up for grabs, that you would have persons convicted of violent felonies claiming that they had rights to keep and bear arms, that you would have people building explosive devices in their basement and say that I have a right to have this. And so what this language was supposed to do was essentially make sure that everybody understood that even though the court was clearly breaking new ground, again, this is the first case in the 200-year history of the Second Amendment, Heller, to hold that there's an individual right to keep and bear arms for personal purposes, that a lot of the regulation that are on the books about keeping guns out of the hands of felons, making sure that there are controls on the sales of firearms, et cetera, were not going to go by the wayside.